assemble. All right, you guys, so we have a new math objective today.
So I was minding my own business this morning when all of a sudden the principal jumped out of the snowbank over here and told us today was the day.
Yep, today
She
was the day.
saw us sorting our coins, rubbing those coin etchings that we did yesterday, and she said, you gotta teach them about the bills.
Yeah, bills.
Oh, and I thought to myself, to count bills? That's like a third grade thing. She said,
It's second grade.
Today
also.
we are going to count ones, fives,
And $10 bills.
maybe more. Let's see
All right.
what we are looking
All right,
at.
let's pull
here.
down the mystery
So
curtain
you've
of
probably
math.
seen some of these things before.
Yep.
The nice thing about the bills here in the United States is we put the number, the value of the bill, right on the front of each one. So let's just for practice see if we can't figure out what these bills are worth.
So let's start with the first one.
Oh.
This one has Mr. George Washington on it. This is the $1 bill.
You can see the one right in the corner.
Yep.
So when you're counting that, you're going to count that one by ones.
Yeah, this is a popular bill. All right, let's go down to here.
Oh, who's this guy?
This is Abraham Lincoln, and it looks like there's a 5, so that means it's $5.
So when you're counting these bills, you're going to skip count by 5.
5, 10, 15,
Ooh.
20, 25, 30,
Ooh.
35, 40,
Yeah.
45, 50.
All right. Now this is one of my favorite bills. This is the $10 bill.
And-
Super easy to count. Do you know who this dude is?
This is Alexander Hamilton, the first Secretary of the Treasury.
Now he was never president, and he
Yeah,
actually
he
has a
wasn't
very
one.
sad story, but we'll talk about that another time.
Okay.
So those are going to be skip count by tens. Now we're getting into the big money.
So this is a bill that has Mr. Andrew Jackson on it.
And that is worth $20.
$20.
2 tens would be the same as 120. Yeah.
All right.
Ooh.
This next one has Ulysses S. Grant on it.
Cha-ching, I'm rich.
$50.
That's a lot. So it would take 50 $1 bills, 5 $10 bills to even, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have to add up a lot of those bills to make 150. And then this one is crazy.
Yeah, this is the last bill. This is the $100 bill with Mr. Ben Franklin, who also wasn't a president.
Very interesting. So my tip to you is whenever you're looking at money, you should first sort the money. I put the big stuff in a pile by itself.
And the little stuff all like over here.
And then sometimes if I need to, I'll write down the value of that group. And at the end, I add those groups together,
Yes.
and I get the total. So let's show them a
Yeah,
couple.
let's show him some money.
All right, let's.
Show me the money.
Here we go. Okay, so
Okay.
remember our objective is to count bills. Here's our first. Oh, look at this.
Okay, so let's start with the big stuff. Let's count by tens.
So I've sorted the tens here.
Yep.
He's gonna count those
So,
tens first.
10, 20, 30.
So I'm gonna write 30 down here, and now there's more though.
Now
right?
let's bring in $1 bills. That would be 31, 32.
I like how you changed from counting by tens to counting by
Yeah,
ones.
it's not the same every time. It changes.
So how much money do we have all together?
We have free $32.
There we go. So the 3 is in the tens place, and the 2 is in the ones place.
Yes.
Next. All right, let me get rid of what I've done here.
All right.
Slide it back into place.
All right, let's pull out the next little mystery tab. Ooh!
Oh boy. Okay, so now imagine where the big bills are. We'll probably start right there. So I would start right over here.
Yep, this is a $5 bill.
$5
so
bill.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's $9.
So we had 1 5 and maybe 4 ones. We
And
added.
then
4 plus 4
is
is
8. And remember when we practiced doubles plus 1? 9.
Yep. So you
So
could
this is $9.
go ahead and put a dollar sign there.
Yeah,
There we go.
that's the dollar sign, guys.
Excellent.
All right, let's pull out.
2 more practice problems, and then we will give them some to do on
Yeah.
their own.
Ooh, what's
Okay,
this?
what are we looking at?
We got a $10 bill, so
I'll
that's.
put that in the tens place.
And we have a $5 bill.
So
we'll-
maybe write that
Yep,
down.
right there.
And then there's some more, though.
So that'd be 16, 17, 18, 19.
So
So
4 more dollars, and you came up with a total already for me, and you said it was
19.
And that would be true if I held 15, 16,
Yep.
17, 18,
19.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
You know what? Counting these bills, not so. Someone just shook me up there.
Alright, last pull
Last
tab.
one.
See the $100
No,
bill.
this is that third grade problem. I don't even think
Yeah.
we should show them. Let's see.
100,
200.
That is what the $100 bills
Okay, so you
make.
can imagine that.
So then
over
we
here.
have a $50 bill.
Okay, so I'm going to put that in the tens place. 50.
See, there we go.
And then how many ones?
51, 52, 53, 54.
So if I put this all together, I would change it from extended notation into standard, and I would say 254. And that makes sense because it's 200 and a 50 and a 4.
That's a
Just
lot.
like this.
That's a lot of money.
Wow. That is a lot of money. So,
All right. So your job today is we're gonna pull up this little worksheet example.
So this is
here.
a page right out of our workbook. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to be counting bills and maybe get into coins.
Yep.
And what you're going to have to do is they're going to show you a bill and you have to circle the amount on the other side that would equal
Yes.
that bill. So this is too much money over here. This is like too much. So just circle the amount that is the same as a 10.
Yes.
So if it was me, I would think about starting with the 5.
So 5, 6,
6,
7,
7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I see what I have to do. So I have to leave this one out. So I'm going to circle most of it. But don't do that one.
That one. Nope. Skip it.
So what you're going to do is you're going to work through that for a $10 bill. You're going to have to do that for a $20 bill.
20s?
How do you make a 20?
We're doing 50.
A 50.
And then let me guess. We're gonna do 100 next.
Hold on to your hats.
Yeah, 100.
So, count some bills, practice for us, and then if you do a great job, there is a awesome math game that you can try out some coins and some bills on your iPad.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks everybody.
Good at you. Out.
Bye now.